Hello, my name is Kabuki Johnson and I am a dancer and a dance teacher. So I decided to attend the seminar because I really wanted to expand my knowledge about teaching hip hop and street styles, and also get some really key information on business and marketing skills as well. It did exceed my expectations. I've gained a lot of valuable knowledge, things that I wasn't actually aware of. So yeah, I've left learning more and really excited to implement these in my classes. The biggest thing that I've taken away from this experience is just the importance of knowing your street styles, knowing the history, knowing the elements, knowing the different steps. If you really want to be a great teacher, if you want to know how to teach well, if you want to know different styles, definitely come onto this course because you will learn so much.